You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words in English. For more names pronunciations, stay tuned. The top word, which is the boy's name, masculine, male, Daniel. In English, it's normally pronounced as Daniel. The bottom word is female and is most generally pronounced in English as Danielle. Danielle. So rather than Daniel, Danielle. Now in French, if you're curious, Danielle. Danielle is the top word. Danielle is the bottom word. They're very similar pronunciations in French, and could also be quite similar depending on the origin or the accent or the country in English as well. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.